Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 2-section desk organizer I got from Dollar Tree. I'm painting the entire thing with rusted pipe color acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I gave that full coverage and dried it completely. And then I'm taking a matte varnish by Waverly and applying that to all of the painted areas. I then am taking a piece of cardboard and I'm tracing out the front of that and cutting that out. I then cut a piece of scrapbook paper a little bit larger than that piece of cardboard, and the scrapbook paper I got from Amazon. I then apply Mod Podge to the cardboard, place down the paper, smooth it out, and dry it with my heat tool. And next, so the top of the cardboard would look more finished, I am folding over a little bit of the excess paper and adding Mod Podge to the top of the cardboard as well as that piece of paper, folding that down and then using my heat tool to dry that, making sure it's fully attached. And then cut away the excess paper on the 3 remaining sides. And then this scrapbook paper with different fall sayings I got from Amazon as well. I'm cutting a section away with that, Mod Podging the back of it, and then placing it down on the other scrapbook paper. Now, after I had it all together, I didn't really like the paper choices that I had made, so I might end up switching those out after, but the idea was really cute, so I wanted to show you guys. After those were attached, I added Mod Podge to the top of that, smoothed it out, and dried it completely. And then once that's dry, I am placing it in the front of that organizer. I added some floral foam inside the 2 different sections, just adding some hot glue and placing those down. These floral picks I'm using I got from Dollar Tree. I just cut the pieces down and then placed them throughout the foam. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.